Alright, so this is the camera itself. Fujifilm XM-5, finally. That's how tiny this camera is. This is nice. Alright. Got a strap. Don't really need that. And battery. Alright, and open the lens, which is the ttartisan autofocus 27mm f2.8. Here we go, and I got the silver one that goes with the XM-5. Alright. Comes with a USB-C for update. And yeah. Goes over here, I guess. Make that one look cool. And then let's try it on. It's just flush right there. This is nice. Let's do that. Let's put the battery on. Let's turn it on. Cool.